Yeah. Sanibonani, my life graduates amahle sanibonani. If you don't know me, igama nguzandisibonga ngumfeka umalwandle lo. Lwandle kaluwela lwelezinkwana zodwa ezihambela le kude phezulu. I am the host of this podcast that is called Meaningful Conversations with Uzane Mfeka. Yabona nje le video le ngithe ngicela ukuyenza ngiyenze ngifake i-merchandise ye-Meaningful Conversations with Uzane Mfeka podcast because I'm about to talk about people that have already threatened ukungisiwa, ukungibophisa, what else, what's the other word, I don't know. Kodwa maningi nje amagama laba abantu abawasebenzisile and they are threatening me because of their bad service and the fact that they are scammers. Ngizokusho lokhu ngiphinde ngikusho ngikugcizelela ukuthi they are scammers, these people. Lo is the name of the company, and this one is the name of the financial service provider. Boyithu laba, they provide i-service engafani, right? So lo udayisa ama-cell phone, but ama-cell phone awadayisayo, it's called refurbished cell phones, right? So these refurbished cell phones, we don't know ukuthi bawathatha kephi, but we don't care ngoba thina ngithi sizifunela ama-second phone, ama-second hand phone, uku-create i-content, because bese nginaleyo nkinga ukuthi mina ifoni yami le ngiyisebenzisa manje igcwele, ngikhathele ukudelete, and sometimes ngidelete into engisazidinga, ama-pictures engisawathanda with ama-guest wami eza kwi-podcast and everything. Now I decided ukuthi the best thing to do, inhloso yami ukuthi ngifuna i-iPhone 12 from Apple Guy, but unfortunately Apple Guy at the time when I was buying this phone did not have i-iPhone 12. For some reasons bebengenaso i-stock, bebenabo i13 kuyale phezulu, but mina bengifuna i-iPhone 12 and bebenawo iPhone 11 and stuff like that. They kept on, website yabo kept on saying ukuthi I must wait, is for stock and things like that. So I'm not willing to wait. So what do? Ngiyacabanga ukuthi vele anginawo ucash, as much as ngingenawo ucash, as much as u-Apple Guy efuna ukuthi ngilinde i-stock se-iPhone 12, I cannot wait because uNovember wami guys is extremely busy. Ngikhumbule ukuthi I've got lo page just now, ngine profile kalo, and I've had that profile ever since I think last year if I'm not mistaken, but angaze ngiyisebenzise and in a credit limit enkulu ngalendlela. Bese ngithi okay, let me go and see ukuthi upage just now imaphi ama-merchants amanye abanawo ngaphandle ko-iStore namafoni nama-store ney'tolo ezidayisa ama-iPhone ezi-serious. Mhlawumbe I will find another merchant that will give me what I want. I scroll ngihlangane no-Revibe, mangithi ngiyabheka ka-Revibe, nakhona banama-iPhone amakhulu and vele ba-out of i-budget yami, ayabiza nje amafoni abawaphethe. Ngiscroll guys up until ngihlangana nalo. Mengihlangana nalo, bazibiza ngalento abazibiza yona, bane-website ba-under upage just now, and nabo badayisa ama-phones and nabo badayisa ama-refurbished phones exactly like u-Revibe. But what I've noticed ukuthi i-iPhone 12 yabo was much more reasonable than le kade ngiyifuna yase-Apple Guy. Be careful of izinto ezibukeka zishibhile. Red flag number 1. Okay. Ngithe kusenjalo angithi uyayazi i-internet ukuthi nalo mkhubo ukuthi i-internet uthi uma kade uscrolla ubuka on something and then all of a sudden uya ku-social media, mhlawumbe uya ku-Facebook for example, usuhlangana nayo lento sebeyakuvezela because isikhiphe on the same gadget oscrolla kuyona, isikuvezela i-history yakho nokuthi kade usearchani. If you know, you know. That's what internet does for you. Sengiyascrolla sengiyabona ukuthi hayibo, sebengivezela lesa sitolo lo Touch ZA engimbonile kulokhunjana ku-list yama-merchants ka-page just now. Ngithi mina, these people are also on ilokhunjana listed as a merchant ka-page just now. Kanti bengike ngababona ku-Facebook before, ngangabathemba. The reason ngingabathembanga, it's because they looked too good to be true. Literally, their phones were cheap. they looked too good to be true, and izinto ezinjalo ziye zingihohiseke-ke mina. Kodwa ngoba now sengiyabona ukuthi they are listed ku-page just now, I was like, okay, kusho ukuthi these people I can trust them. Ngiye ku-website yabo mose ngifike ngi-scroll ngibheka hayi naku-website amafoni aba-right, abukeke right and everything. Ayi ngivele ngiyi-order and ngiyi-order via u-page just now vele ngoba ngenzelani, sengenzela ukuthi ngibe safe ukuthi in case labantu bengi-scammer or kwenzakalani ngiyazi ukuthi ngine-backup ka-page just now. Page just now mos is a reputable credit provider. They wouldn't want to be associated with people who are doing izinto wrong with my clients wabo. Kanti angibuzanga elangeni. Guess what happened? Phone yami ngayi-order, mangi-order kwakuyi-Monday angisazi. Ifoni ngayi-order within 2-3 days, like it says on the website yabo ukuthi ifoni uyithola within 2 working days. Nangempela 2 working days, I remember very well, it was a Tuesday. Mangifaka order, it was a Thursday, it was a Wednesday afternoon, and on Thursday morning ngabatexta ku-WhatsApp bangiphendula bathi ifoni yakho in 2 working days uzoyithola, but since we are going towards the weekend you'll probably get it next Monday or Tuesday. Come Tuesday yafika nangempela ifoni. I was so excited guys ukuthi wow, what a quick and excellent service. Yafika ifoni Tuesday, ngibatshela ukuthi guys ifoni yenu ilokhunjani, i-charger yenu is a wrong charger, but oh we apologize. Into nje singakwenzela na wena ukuthi uthenge i-Apple Watch, because i-Apple Watch izophuma ne-charger, the same charger le oyidingayo njengamanje eshajelana nale foni oyithengile. Ngithi-ke mina kubo chayi ngiyalibonga iwash angilidingi. Ngidinga i-charger nje kuphela as it said on the bundle ukuthi ifoni iphuma ne-free charger. Hayi ke ngithi mangisho njalo ke. The only thing that we can do for you is to refund you u-50 rand. Lo 50 rand angawutholi till today. Bathi bazongirefunda i-cable for i-50 rand. Salwa ke guys ngalo 50 rand. Ngibuza mina ukuthi eyiphi i-iPhone e-charger nge-cable ebiza u-50 rand. Kukephi mina ngihlala eThekwini, mhlawumbe eGoli akhona. Salwa-ke sibanga lonto kodwa ekugcineni kosuku lo 50 rand ababethembisa ukungirefunda wona bagcina bengawusendanga ngoba mina ngangithi at least refund u-150, then I know ukuthi ngizoyithola i-cable ebiza leyo mali. Hayi banqaba shem kwakugcina bona, I even have ama-conversations we-WhatsApp wabo ngikhuluma nabo. Up to a point ke manje ngithi mina if nihluleka ukunginikeza u-150 lo engufuna ngoba bathi bona it's non-negotiable, you're going to get 50 rand or not. Ngithi okay fine, ngoba nisho njalo yenzani lokho okufunwa yinina. Bangakwenza ke lokho ngoba egcineni kosuku ngagcina ngawutholanga lo 50 rand, bangangisendela i-charger esebenzayo njengokusho kwento yabo, and egcineni wagcina esedelela whoever I was talking to, owagcina enqabile ukunginika igama lakho, agcina esedelela ngitshela ukuthi phela bona bebengangifosanga ukuthi ngithenge le bundle ye-charger kanye ne-iPhone 12. Kwake kwawaphi ukuthi ukhulume kanjalo nama-customer kanjalo? Wena ubungangifusanga, you did not force me to buy that bundle. Okay, ngabayeka ngibona ukuthi kusho ukuthi kunomsindo vele la. Ngahamba ngawuzithengela i-charger guys. Angutholanga u-50 rand we-refund, banqabile ukunginikeza u-150 engu-negotiator abathe it's non-negotiable. Ngahamba ngawuzithengela i-charger. Mangithenga i-charger, ngiyabuya ne-charger, ngiyayicharge ifoni iyasebenza fine, and ifoni it looks clean and nice and everything. Hayi ngithi ngiyasetapha ifoni ngingaqali ngo-iCloud. For some reasons ngingaqali ngo-iCloud because vele mina nginjalo mangithenga ifoni entsha ngiqala ngokusetapha ama-security features. I don't want anybody else ukuthi amane ezocofa-cofa ifoni yami noma ngabe it's a second hand kodwa kumina yintsha. Ngi-activate ama-security features, ngiwa-activate, ngifake i-face recognition, ngifake i-passcode and everything. Hayi ngiyenze hayi no fine, it looks fine, iyasebenza i-right ngilala. The following morning vula phone, vuleka phone, the same passcode le ebengiyifakile last night ayisangeni. And mind you, noma sekuthiwa ngakhohlwa i-passcode ade ngi-create last night. Ngibatshele ngithi guys yini senginenkinga entsha sha, ifoni ngenza u1 no2 no3 ayivuleki. Bavele bathi nje kumina Ntombo akuyona inkinga yethu leyo, thina ifoni sikunikeze i-clean ingalokhiwe injani. Ngithi mina no, angisho ukuthi ngithini, ngithi help me to troubleshoot the phone iphinde ivuleke ngoba nina nisebenza ngama-phone futhi not any phones, iPhones. You are iPhones specialist, as your website says ukuthi you resell refurbished phones. bathi nje akuyona inkinga yami leyo. Ngafonela uPage Just Now, wathi uPage Just Now asingeni lapho thina mangabe i-client linenkinga ne-merchant kufanele bayisolve between the two of them, bona they are not judges. I even remember kaPage Just Now ngangikhuluma nentombazane eyayizibiza ngo-Ayanda, ngaqala ngakhuluma noJoshua, uJoshua wa-escalator that matter to i-supervisor yakhe u-Ayanda. Athi u-Ayanda bona it's not the responsibility ukuthi ba-intervene kuma-problems akhona